Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the king of hidden gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually on the radar. They are quite hidden gems, they smell good. I think at least you should research, try them for yourself and see if they're good to you. So today I have another unboxing and first impression plus an update for you. This update is for Afnan Pure Musk. Afnan Pure Musk is a very musky fragrance, as it says. This one came out in 2021 and there is no perfumer for it, unfortunately. So first thing first, let me tell you the performance is stellar. This is 10 hours plus. Yes, is almost a beast mode fragrance, especially for a fresh fragrance. On me, it lasted even more. Next day, I could smell it, but to be on the safe side, I would say around 10 to 12 hours. And projection, 4 or 5 hours of heavy projection, very big projection. My wife was telling me, "Oh my God, this perfume we put on is still on, this like 5 6 hours later." And she could smell it from like the other side of the house. So big projection for at least 3 to 4 hours. I would say room filler, house filler, massive projector. And this one is very unisex. Okay, so anybody, man and woman, can wear it. It opens up very citrusy, very musky. So citrus and musk in the beginning. The citrus here giving it a little bit of that tarty feel. Quite zesty, quite tarty, quite uplifting. I'm not sure what kind of they're utilizing here, because in the note breakdown it didn't say, but I'm guessing at least bergamot plus maybe lemon. And the musk is big. In the beginning, the musk is huge, and then when you go to the mid, after like 2 hours later, you'll get white florals. Yeah, this is dominated by white florals. Orange blossom, tuberose. Tuberose and orange blossom are the biggest player. Also, you got some jasmine in here. Also, I smell some rose, but the rose here is a fresh rose. It's not a jammy rose. It's not a sweet rose. I mean, it's quite sweet, but it's not a sweet rose or jammy rose or dark rose or fresh rose. This is quite noticeably rosy, but it's not a huge it's not a big player. Okay, the biggest players here are the orange blossom and the tuberose. Especially tuberose is the biggest player here. So it starts up with citrus and musk, big. The musk slowly will subside by the time it goes on, but stays there. Okay, the musk stays there for all duration of the fragrance, which is very impressive. And the musk here again is a fresh musk. It's not a animalic musk. It's not a oceanic musk. It's not a earthy musk. It's not funky musk. No, it's just fresh musk. It's middle of the road musk, if you will. And when you get to the dry down, you'll end up with woody. The musk is still there, but it's quite subside. And you got a woody, it's like cedar. Cedar is quite big in here, plus some aspect of suede or leather aspect, but quite subdued, not much. You feel it, but you don't, it's not shouting. Okay, so it's quite suede like leather, and also it's a little bit choky. So when it goes from the mid to the dry down, it gets choky. I mean, like a choke when you write on the blackboard. So it gets a little choky because of those white florals, and the combination of white florals and the leather and the cedar gives it a little bit of choky feel. But overall, it's what a smell. This is great fragrance for going out, for special occasions, for meeting people. Very nice. And also because it's quite fresh and uplifting, and because of the white bottle, it shows you what kind of fragrance it is. It is inviting, it's happy, very inviting. And this one, I would say 25, and I'm on the safe side because it's quite complex. I think a young nose would be a little bit difficult for a young nose to interpret. And also best suited obviously for warmer weather, but because it's done so strongly and it's done so well and it's full bodied, it will easily can be rocked in winter, and you lost in winter, so it would give you uplifting feel, but in the maybe dark days or very cold days of winter is very good for making you uplift the mood and make your mood change to the better. Highly recommended. Afnan done it again. Every time I unbox or I review Afnan, they just they do it. They never disappointed me so far, and highly recommended. For under £20, such a beautiful presentation, such a great fragrance, plus longevity is massive, and the projection is huge. To me, that's a no-brainer. But you need to like what I described, especially in the mid and the dry down. It goes a little bit choky because of those white florals plus the cedar plus the musk and the little bit of suede leather, giving it a choky feel. Okay. Overall beautiful, highly recommend it. Okay guys, let's go to today's unboxing and first impression. And because I was so impressed with Afnan again, I'm going to do another Afnan, and this one doesn't need an introduction because so many of you will know it. And this is Afnan Turathi Blue. Yes, very probably after the Afnan Not Only Intense, Supremacy Not Only Intense, this is the most famous Afnan out there. It's been hyped a few times with different reviewers, and let's see how it goes. So far I'm always was impressed with Afnan anyway. So again, cardboard, huge box, very good presentation. Again, for on this one is under £20, this is under £40. The only thing is you need to be patient to find it, because right now it's quite hard to find. Okay, so very nice presentation. As always, Afnan give you everything plus the kitchen sink. Sorry about the noise. Look at that, so beautifully done, textured, gorgeous. And look at that. What? Where, with the big names, you name them, yeah, Chanel, Dior, I don't know, those niche houses, where do you get presentation for £40 something like this? You don't, you never. So that's why the Middle Eastern houses, the Middle Eastern brands are so upcoming, and they are doing a fantastic job because they give you so much for what you pay. And look at this, it's just amazing. Okay, and the heavy bottle. It's gorgeous presentation, and look at that bottle, gorgeous. It's like a blue and with silver trims, and the cap is massively heavy, it's like a half a kilo itself. And let's go to the atomizer, and look at that beautiful atomizer. Everything is like shouting quality. Okay, so Turathi Blue by Afnan, EDP 90 ml, under £40. The only thing is you need to be patient to find it. From time to time you find it, but it's not always available. And if you find it, it's usually around £80-90. Retail I think is about £60, but you can find it under £40. As I said, if you are patient and you do your research. Okay, let's go. Turathi Blue. Huge citrus, massive citrus. These like grapefruit, mandarin, little bit of lemony, little bit of bergamot, but the grapefruit and the bergamot and the lemon are huge here. Very zesty, super zesty. Some people compared it to Bleu de Chanel. I'm not getting that much. I mean, yes, similarity, same category, fresh, aromatic, aquatic fragrance, yes. But so far, I can't say this is Bleu de Chanel. Mamma mia, this is beautiful. So for now, all I'm smelling is citruses plus that woody backbone. and that's it. I don't know, it will change. Wow, what a gorgeous smell. What a gorgeous combination of citruses. This is citrus bomb, at least for first impression and first sniff. Yeah, citrus plus woody backbone plus little bit of floral touch plus little bit of fruity touch so far. Obviously, it's going to. I'm guessing it's going to change. It's like a popsicle. You know, one of those very zesty. What do you call it? When we were children, we had those very zesty yellow, sweet. I can't remember the name of it. It's like that. It's so citrusy, and it's underlying sweetness. But the sweetness is not it's not it's not a vanilla sweetness. This is like a fruity sweetness. But first impression, first sniff, yes, 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 I'm loving it. What a gorgeous opening. It's citrus, plus woody backbone, plus a little bit of fruitiness, plus a little bit of floral so far. I will let you know in the next video the longevity, the development, things like that. But for a first impression, what an opening, what a beauty. I'm absolutely happy with it. Afnan done it again. You see, this is what I'm saying about Middle Eastern houses. Afnan is one of them. And they never disappoint. They always give you more than what you pay for, and in this case it's definitely the one of them. Still very zesty. Wow, what a gorgeous scent. Very, very summery, and this one is universal. There is no age to it, you know. It doesn't so far, because it's a little bit on the simpler side, it doesn't have any complexity. I mean, it's quite complex, but don't get me wrong, but the composition in a way that it gives it a simple introduction. Okay, wow, what a beauty. Okay guys, for now, very, very nice. I love it, and I'll let you know in the next video what's going on with it, to see the longevity and things like that. But for now, yes, yes, yes. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, if you do like what I do, if you find it informative, if you find it entertaining, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for future video, hit that bell button for future uploads, and share this one with others. This way you help me expand my channel. I'll be very grateful. And if you want to show me love, there is a love symbol in the bottom of the video. You could do that, or you could buy one of my perfumes, which is from another dimension, and they are super ultra beast mode. But you need to be living in the United Kingdom. I can't, unfortunately, post it anywhere else. Okay guys, thank you very much, and see you later. Bye, bye, bye.